Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Crypto Richest, and after long time we are here. So here you can see we are uploading like decentralized finance, DEX, centralized exchanges videos, especially like blockchain, all the things. Now in this video, going to explain you about which one crypto exchange is good, no KYC exchange, trusted, safe, secure, service and support. Everything is well. As you know, Binance, Bybit, OKX, Bitgate, Kraken, they are leading exchange already. So you can see in the Binance is the number one. If you will see like derivatives or in the sports section, you can see here as well OKX, Bit, HDX, Kraken. And if you are going to like DEX sport or DEX derivatives, there are so many exchanges, but no proper liquidity are there, so you will not get good volume as well. But if you are talking about centralized exchanges, there are so many problems, like you need to do first of all your KYC, but I'm going to explain you in this video. You will do your trade, you don't need any KYC. You can make withdrawal $500,000 every day, means 500,000 USDT you can make every day. What is the exchange name? I will show you here. You can see bitunix. Welcome to bitunix, and you can also get 5,500 new buy. If you are a newcomer, you will start now, so you can get 5,500 USDT worth of new buy benefits await you if you will deposit like $100, $500, $1,000, $10,000 or $40,000. It is depend on you how much is your portfolio. But make sure when you will start, you can start even $10. You can deposit first, you can withdraw first, and everything is good. If you need any kind of support, if you need any kind of help, you can write me on Telegram. I will give you my Telegram in description and comment section as well. You can join our official Telegram channel Crypto Richest. I will give you link as well. So very simple. Here you can just enter your email ID, anything like, it is not my official email ID, I'm just telling you just for example. So here you can put your password. So here you can enter your password, and also you can see my affiliate link Crypto Richest. I will give you 10% discount, and also if you are promoting bitunix, I will give you affiliate dashboard. You can make money like 40%, 50% affiliate commission I will give you. So what do you need to do? You can just create your account and send me your UID, 5th digit, 6th digit. I will show you as well my UID. You can send me your UID and I will give you 10% direct bonus. So here you will need to just create your account, and after that you can start trade. So here you can see, here is my UID, means user ID. So you can just copy and send me in the comment section, or you can send me on the Telegram. After that you can see, I will show you my trading and all the things. My target I will show you soon. So right now my position open just $700, but my target to reach at least $1 million before 2025, and I will explain you all the things, and it will really helpful for you to understand all the things. If you want to deposit, you can deposit. You can use any chain, like you want to deposit USDT, then you can choose chain Ethereum, Polygon, AVAX, Arbitrum, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, Optimism. So it is lots of option there. I just deposit $54, but right now I have one of my position open, and even I have $57 right now. I do self trade. I believe this video very helpful for you, and I will share all the things, which one trade I will do right now and which one trade you can do as well, which one is good, which one is not good. I will share all my analysis on Telegram channel. So make sure you will join our official Telegram Crypto Richest as well. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.